So my name is Marta Sanromán. I am the Director General for the Spanish Association of HVAC Equipment Manufacturers. We are around 90 companies, and in terms of heat pumps, we have a very large representation of the market in Spain, say above 90%. And I proudly give our perspective here. I want to share, first of all, a couple of facts just to make sure that you understand where we are. So Spain, according to a very recent study by Ernst & Young, is the 8th country in the world with highest investment attractiveness in renewable energies. That makes us very competitive in terms of heat pumps. We have quite a lot of sun, we have technology, and it's a mature market. Another fact I would like to highlight is that according to the recently published directive of energy efficiency, the primary energy factor has been reduced from 2.5 to 1.9. That has a relevance in Spain. First of all, in Spain, we have to justify the use of renewables in new build for water heating and pool heating by months. This new energy factor would make it much easier and would boost the use of heat pumps further. And second, the heat pumps which are already in the market would emit less. Another fact is that we have in Spain a very, very low renovation rate per annum. It is around 0.1%. According to our national climate plan, we should be aiming at a minimum of 12 to 13%. We are very far away from that. We have recently published a guide together with the Energy Transition Ministry, which is the heat pump in energy renovation. We hope that this tool will really help professionals go further. Other than this, I would like to share also some of the Spanish challenges. First of all, we need to face new financing models. The next generation funds are going slightly slow. We need to make sure that the public-private initiatives are really fostered because it's still going very slow. People do not know about it. The bank is committed, but we just need to make faster procedures and make it known for everybody. We have started with the white certificates, which will be a very good incentive for savings from both industry to tertiary sector and homes. Another challenge is the F-gas. As Rowena said, it is also already causing some issues. There is going to be a transformation, but there is also a need to review safety regulations, and multi-splits are at risk in Spain, and we do need them. Also, the economic environment is less favorable in Spain because the fiscal pressure is higher than other members, but also we already have a tax on refrigerants trading, not emission, already in place. So the heat pump market in 2023 has gone slightly different from the overall European market. So in Spain, the air-to-air has increased quite a lot. We are showing here in these figures the ones which are mainly used for heating, not the ones that, even when they are reversible, are used mainly for cooling. But on the other side, the air-to-water heat pumps have decreased, opposite to the other trend in Europe. Water-to-water has decreased, but it is not significant. It is a maybe much more expensive technology, and there are now other alternatives. And the domestic hot water heat pumps have increased as well. Overall, we see an increase of 14.21%. This is showing the trend, but of course it's much lower than last year, but we show an increase of over 50%. It is important to highlight that the reversible air to water is facing strong competition back from gas boilers, natural gas boilers, and that there are still some regions in Spain which are funding and subsidizing the replacement. I would also like to share that the Spanish industry is really committed. Over the last 30 years, we have achieved over 50% higher efficiency in equipments. We are in a continuous innovation model. We have changed 3 times of refrigerant technology. That means also heavy investments. And we needed to do it faster than other countries, which means that sometimes investments are even higher. I would like to also make a few questions that I heard recently in another forum, and I think that they are really interesting. So, will the European Parliament elections change the regulations again? As Rowena also said, industry investments require legal certainty, but will it be warranted? Competition is becoming increasingly global. Will it drive the EU forward or slow it down? And last question is the EU border a positive or a negative differentiating factor? This is one of my favorite statements lately. Cooling is not a luxury. Neither is heating nor hot water production. This map comes from the European Space Agency. It shows Europe in a thermal view in July 2023. The real red, the dark red spots are around 45 degrees Celsius. So do not think this is only Spain. You can see it's also Portugal. It's also Italy, of course, Africa, even when it is not the European Union. It's also Greece. But the red is going up because we are having hotter and hotter and warmer summer. So it is going to come up to most of Europe, and we are not ready. We cannot think only of heating. We need to think also on cooling. And this is where we ask for a real push to heat pumps, because it provides a double solution, cooling and heating. And of course, it's a triple solution when we think that heating is not only comfort, it is also industry. It is water and vapor production for industrial processing, while other traditional solutions are only heating. They will never provide refrigeration. And likewise, the EHPA, Josephine representative, and Rowena from the manufacturer's point of view, I would like to make a call to action. If we are part of the solution and we are not part of the problem, if we have such solutions, why should we stop them? Why should we wait? We are in an urgent climate crisis, and we would like to send a call to action. Thank you.